Here we have a 2017 Ford F-150 Crew, 5.0 V8, one owner, clean Carfax, 24,000 miles. Really a nice, pretty truck here, excuse me. It's in Ingot silver. Exceptional value and deal on this vehicle if you're looking at our listing for 2017 with only 24,000 miles. You can see it does have the integrated fog lamps, high intensity headlights, and some chrome embellishments there on the front. Coming around to the side, you can see it is the XLT trim. We got 17-inch alloy 5-spoke wheel here with Goodyear Wrangler tires, probably about 3/4 tread on these tires. You can see a nice shiny resurfaced rotor and a thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all of our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Right now we're looking in through the passenger side. You can see a manual adjustment on the passenger seat with a 40-20-40 earth or mid-gray kind of cloth interior with a dark charcoal carpeting. See very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your front occupants, and you'll even see that more so here on the back. As you can see, very, very spacious on the rear for your rear seat occupants as well. Again, very clean, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Now, come back here to the back just to show you in matching Goodyear tires. We have about the same 3/4 tread, scuff-free alloy wheel. Now, this is the 145-inch wheelbase. This would be the 5.5-foot box, the shorter box. Continue around to the back. You can see does not have a hitch or backup camera, but we do have a drop-in factory liner here. Or excuse me, drop-in liner, not factory, but we do have a drop-in liner. Protect the bed. Continue around to the other side here, just to show you again, nice scuff-free alloy wheel, 3/4 tread on the matching Goodyears there. And then we'll just give you a peek from the other side. This would be looking from the driver's side rear. Again, very, very clean, well-maintained. Of course, with Ford, you get your combo entry exit, allow you to keep the vehicle running and climate cooled or heated. Lock it using the combo. And just to give you a quick little tour here of the vehicle, start with the key. As you can see, we do have 2 keys, integrated fob, laser cut. Also, you have your locks down here, your windows and your mirror switches right there on the side. Go ahead and jump up there. You see 24,819 miles. Start it up. Let you listen to the V8 engine. Give you a little longer tour. As you can see over here on the left is your dimmer switch, your fog lights, cargo lights, automatic headlamp control, dimmer switch for your cluster, tilt wheel over on the side, stem to the left, high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers, shifter on the right column, tow haul, sport mode by the button. You have your ability to select the gears in the middle. Got your cruise control in the lower left, your sync voice activation, audio controls, lower right. See the audio controls. You have your in-vehicle display controls here for your center screen. As you can see, we got that right there. Electronic shift on the fly four-wheel drive transfer case to the right of the steering wheel. Got your standard issues AM/FM satellite radio with different configurations on the side. Traction control and your four-wheel or your four-ways are above that. It's your climate control section right here. Your radio section right there. Your climate control section is down below. We have your LED map lights, no roof on this model. And of course you have a 12-volt power supply over there. You have another 12-volt power supply down here. And also this is where you have your USB connectors. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and show you underneath. Hood releases right there. There you can see 5.0-liter V8 engine, extremely clean, quiet, no exhaust fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. What you'd expect, I guess, for a 17 with only 24,000 miles, but not always what you get. Just want to give you a little shot for all you motor heads out there. As you can see, it's very, very clean. very quiet, nice, reliable engine Ford's used for a few years now. Just gonna shut this vehicle off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. The next portion is really something I'm happy to say differentiates us from a lot of dealers out there here at Thomas. Not only are we completely upfront in our pricing, we also are very upfront in the condition of our vehicle. So my job right now is to go around, try to give you a very detailed glimpse of any minor imperfections this vehicle may have. It is used, some should be expected. However, we try to buy as clean a vehicles as possible. I already told you it's one owner, clean history, straight body lines, no signs of any prior paint. Everything looks nice and clean there on that fender. We'll continue back the door. Door looks very good also. If I notice anything, I'll point it out to you guys, but we do try to get the very cleanest cars as possible. We want them to be like new alternatives. Once you essentially get that new car feel and smell just without the new car price. Biggest hit of depreciation on vehicles is in the first year of ownership, so previous owner took that hit, and now you can reap the benefits and the rewards financially by getting a like new vehicle here at a very good value. It's as clean as we can possibly get them. Now there is a little dent, and I'm trying to catch it right there. You can see on the tailgate, that is where you'll get a little bit of damage on trucks. We have a little bit of scuffing. The bumper looks good. The rest of the tailgate looks good. You get a little scuffing on this bed rail cover, but that's what it's for. Protect the end cap of the tailgate. Continuing around now, we're on the passenger side, bedside. Again, I'm just looking for any dings, scrapes, scratches. A little tiny scratch right there on the end of that bed. Another little tiny one on chip or so on the edge of that. Everything else looks pretty good. On these appliques here, you can see a little scratch kind of runs across both appliques. I don't know if I can catch that in the light. Very minor, but I'm trying to be as accurate as possible for you guys. Now, we have a dent right there. Trying to get it in the light. You can see it. Little dent right there above that passenger side front door handle. Looks like we might have another one up there also. It's just hard to pick up on this silver paint, but I can tell you there's just a few dents there on that passenger side front door. Front fender looks good there. Across the front, we got a little bit of chipping, a little bit of stone chips. Nothing too hateful. Across the top of the hood, a couple little chips there. You can see one. Couple more in there, real small. There you have it, guys. Really an excellent, great value, low cost, new car alternative. If you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.